Ever wondered why oral hygiene is so crucial for our overall health? Well, let's unravel that mystery right now. Oral hygiene, the practice of keeping one's mouth clean and disease-free, is not just about sporting a sparkling smile or fresh breath. It's much more than that. It's a key component of our overall health and well-being. Poor oral health can lead to problems far more serious than tooth decay or gum disease. It can lead to heart disease, diabetes, and even stroke. Not so appealing now, is it? But here's the good news. Most oral health issues are preventable. Yes, you heard right. Preventable. And it's not rocket science either. It's about practicing simple, everyday habits that can help maintain a healthy mouth. And no, it's not just about brushing twice a day. There's more to it. Intrigued? Well, you should be. So ready to discover the top 5 ways to maintain healthy oral hygiene? Let's dive in. Starting at number 5, we have something you hear all the time. Regular brushing. Yes, it might sound like a broken record, but brushing twice a day is fundamental to maintaining a healthy smile. But why is it so important? Well, brushing removes the plaque that builds up on your teeth. This sticky film contains bacteria that feast on the sugars in your food, producing acids that can erode tooth enamel, leading to cavities. Brushing twice a day helps to keep this plaque in check and protect your teeth. Now, it's not just about brushing often, it's also about brushing right. A common mistake is brushing too hard, which can damage your gums and tooth enamel. Instead, use a soft bristled toothbrush and apply gentle pressure, moving the brush in small circular motions. Also, remember to replace your toothbrush every 3 to 4 months, or sooner if the bristles become frayed. Another key aspect of brushing is the duration. You should be brushing for a full 2 minutes, spending 30 seconds on each quadrant of your mouth. Unfortunately, many of us fall short of this, brushing for less than a minute on average. So maybe next time, consider setting a timer or playing a 2-minute song to make sure you're brushing long enough. But what about toothpaste? Well, when selecting a toothpaste, look for one that contains fluoride. Fluoride is a natural mineral that helps to strengthen tooth enamel and fight against cavities. It's a powerful ally in your oral care routine. Lastly, don't forget to brush your tongue. The tongue is often overlooked, but it can harbor bacteria that contribute to bad breath and even tooth decay. So give it a gentle brush to keep your entire mouth fresh and clean. Remember, brushing is not just about frequency, but also about doing it right. So take the time to brush thoroughly. Use a fluoride toothpaste and maintain a consistent routine. Your teeth will thank you. At number 4, we have a habit that many tend to skip: flossing. Yes, you heard that right. Flossing. It's one of those often overlooked parts of our daily routine, but it's more crucial than you might think. Why, you ask? Well, let me enlighten you. Imagine a world where toothbrushes are the superheroes of oral hygiene, bravely battling the harmful bacteria that threaten our teeth and gums. However, even superheroes have their limitations. They can't reach the nooks and crannies between our teeth, those secluded spots where sneaky plaque loves to hide. This is where flossing swoops in like a sidekick, tackling the areas that the toothbrush can't reach. Flossing helps to remove plaque and food particles from between your teeth and along the gum line. Not only does this keep your teeth cleaner and your breath fresher, but it also helps prevent gum disease. When plaque builds up, it can lead to tartar, a hard substance that can only be removed by a dentist. Tartar buildup can cause gum disease, which in turn can lead to more serious health problems. So how do you floss correctly? First, break off about 18 inches of floss. Wind most of it around your middle fingers, leaving about 2 inches to work with. Hold the floss taut between your thumbs and index fingers and slide it gently up and down between your teeth. Curve the floss around each tooth, making sure to go beneath the gum line, but be gentle to avoid hurting your gums. Repeat this for each tooth, using a clean section of floss each time. Flossing might feel like a chore. It might even feel slightly uncomfortable in the beginning, but trust me, the benefits are worth it. It's a small step, but a mighty one in your journey towards perfect oral hygiene. So remember, even superheroes need a sidekick. Be the superhero of your oral health, and let flossing be your trusted companion. Your teeth and gums will thank you. So don't forget to floss, it's as important as brushing. Coming in at number 3, it's using mouthwash. Now let's dive into the refreshing world of mouthwash, an indispensable player in the game of oral hygiene. Mouthwash, also known as oral rinse, is more than just a quick fix for bad breath. It's a potent ally in the fight against tooth decay and gum disease. So, how does mouthwash pull off these feats? Let's break it down. Firstly, mouthwash plays a crucial role in acid control. Our mouths are naturally acidic, and while some level of acidity is healthy, an excess can lead to tooth decay and other oral health issues. Mouthwash helps balance this acidity, creating a more neutral environment that's less welcoming to harmful bacteria. But that's not all. The mouth is full of hard-to-reach nooks and crannies that your toothbrush might miss. That's where mouthwash steps in. With a good swish and gargle, mouthwash can reach these hidden areas, flushing out lingering food particles and bacteria. Another significant benefit of mouthwash is its ability to remineralize the teeth. Many types of mouthwash contain fluoride, a mineral that strengthens tooth enamel and helps prevent cavities. When you rinse with a fluoride mouthwash, you're giving your teeth a mini mineral bath, providing them with the nutrients they need to stay strong and healthy. However, it's important to remember that mouthwash isn't a substitute for brushing and flossing. Think of it as a backup singer, enhancing the performance of the lead vocalist, your toothbrush. Used together, they create a harmony of cleanliness that keeps your mouth in top shape. So the next time you're in the dental care aisle, give mouthwash a second glance. Your teeth and gums will thank you for it. It's not just about fresh breath, but about creating a healthier environment for your pearly whites. And remember, consistency is key. Make rinsing with mouthwash a regular part of your oral hygiene routine, and you'll be well on your way to a cleaner, healthier smile. A quick swish of mouthwash can go a long way in keeping your mouth clean and fresh. The second most effective way to maintain oral hygiene might surprise you. It's having a healthy diet. Yes, what you eat and drink can significantly affect the health of your teeth and gums. Let's start with the basics. Your teeth and gums, like the rest of your body, need nutrients to stay strong and healthy. Vitamins and minerals such as calcium, phosphorus, vitamin D and vitamin C play a crucial role in the health of your teeth and gums. Foods rich in these nutrients include dairy products, leafy greens, fish and citrus fruits. However, it's not just about what you should eat, but also what you should avoid. Foods and drinks high in sugar are a major culprit in tooth decay and gum disease. You see, the bacteria in your mouth feast on these sugars, producing acids that can wear down your tooth enamel, leading to cavities and gum disease. So it's important to limit your intake of sugary foods and drinks. Starchy foods such as bread and pasta can also be problematic. These foods can stick to your teeth, and the starches are converted into sugars by the bacteria in your mouth. Again, this can lead to tooth decay. But don't worry, you don't have to cut out these foods completely. It's all about balance and moderation. And remember, it's not just what you eat, but when you eat. Constant snacking can be harmful to your teeth, as it gives the bacteria in your mouth more opportunities to produce acid. So what's the takeaway? Eating a balanced diet, rich in vitamins and minerals, and limiting your intake of sugary and starchy foods can help keep your teeth and gums healthy. And don't forget to drink plenty of water. Not only does it help wash away food particles, but it also helps keep your mouth hydrated, which is important for overall oral health. Remember, a healthy diet is not just for your body, but for your teeth and gums too. And now, the number one way to maintain healthy oral hygiene is regular dental checkups. Don't underestimate the power of a visit to the dentist. It's not just about getting a professional cleaning, although that is a big part of it. Your dentist can detect potential problems that you may not even be aware of. Early detection of issues such as cavities, gum disease, and even oral cancer can save you a lot of pain and expense in the long run. Furthermore, your dentist is a wealth of knowledge when it comes to oral hygiene. They can provide advice tailored to your specific needs and habits, helping you to maintain that glowing smile. Remember, prevention is always better than cure. So make it a habit to visit your dentist at least twice a year. So make friends with your dentist and ensure a happy, healthy smile. So there you have it, the top 5 ways to maintain healthy oral hygiene. Let's take a moment to recap. We started with the importance of regular brushing, not just in the morning and night, but after meals as well. Then we moved on to flossing, an often overlooked but critical step in removing food particles and plaque from between your teeth. Next up, we discussed the role of mouthwash in killing bacteria and freshening breath, followed by the impact of a healthy diet on your oral health. Remember, what you eat can have a significant effect on your teeth and gums. Lastly, we emphasized the necessity of regular dental checkups. Early detection of issues can save you a lot of discomfort and money. Remember, a healthy mouth is a gateway to a healthy body. So start implementing these tips today and say hello to a healthier you. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment and subscribe to the channel. Take care.